In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to personalize the main menu. Select the Edit menu option and click OK on your remote control. Select Customize main menu. For first-time setup, you should see none in the second column. Press the right navigation button to navigate to the third column. Choose Item for Menu is the action that will be performed when your title is clicked. This will automatically populate the Change Action, Set Label, and Set Icon sections. Click on Choose Item for this menu. Select the item to be added. For this example, we will select Video Library. Click on Movies. Click on Create Menu Item to here. The Change Action, Set Label, and Set Icon are automatically populated. Change Action, Set Label, and Set Icon can be manually configured. Change Action is the action that will be performed when your title is clicked. It can be set independently from the Change Item for menu. To manually set up Change Action, click on the Change Action button. Select the item to be added. For this example, we will select Video Library. Click on Movies. Click on Create Menu Item to here. Click on Set Label to enter the title for this menu option. Enter your title. This title will be displayed in the main menu. For this demonstration, our title will be Movie Streams. Select the OK button and click OK on your remote to save the title. Click on Set Icon to select an icon for your title. You can select from list of pre-installed icons. Each menu option can have up to 4 widgets. Widgets must be configured in numerical order. To configure widget 1, click on widget 1. Select one of the options. Again, we will select Video Library. Since we are setting up Movies category, we will select the Movies option. We are interested in action movies, so we will select Genres. Click on Action. You can enter your own title or leave it as default. You have the option to repeat the above steps for the 3 other widgets. The only difference is that instead of selecting the action category, select one of the other categories. Let's add another menu option called TV Streams. Press the left navigational button and navigate to the first column. Select and press OK on the plus icon. This will generate another customizable menu option titled None. This menu option is completely separate from the Movie Streams menu created earlier. Let's give it a title. TV Streams. Select an icon. You can set up to 4 widgets for TV Streams section. Let's set up a widget in the TV shows section of Exodus. Select Add-ons. Select Video Add-ons. Select Exodus. Select TV shows. We want to see the trending TV shows, so we select People Watching. Select Use as Widget. Keep the default title or change it. You can add as many menu options as you want, following the same steps presented earlier. Press back on your remote to save the changes. On the top right of your screen, you should see Skin Shortcuts, Creating Menu. Once that message on the top right of your screen disappears, you will have two new menu options: Movie Streams and TV Streams. Scroll over to the Movie Streams section. The busy dialog is an indication that the software is fetching the fan art for the action genre. Scroll over to TV Streams. The busy dialog is an indication that the software is fetching the fan art for trending TV shows. Note: the duration of fan art download is dependent on your internet speed. Adding submenus to your main menu options. You can further personalize your menu by adding submenus to the menu options created earlier. Click on Edit menu. Click on Customize main menu. Navigate to the second column and select the menu title for which the sub-menu will be created. For this demonstration, we will select the Movie Streams option. Navigate to the third column. Click on Customize sub-menu. Click on Choose Item for menu. For this demonstration, we will select Video Library, Movies, Genres, Adventure. Let's add a second sub-menu. Navigate to the first column. Select the plus icon and press OK. Navigate to the second column. Select None. Navigate to the third column. Click on Choose Item for menu. For this demonstration, we will select Video Library, Movies, Genres, Comedy. Click on Back to save the sub-menu for Movie Streams. Use the same procedure to create sub-menus for other menu options. Scroll to the Movie Streams option. You will see a down arrow. This arrow indicates that there are sub-menus associated to that menu option. Press down to access your sub-menu. Press down again to access the widgets. Press up to access the main menu options. In this tutorial, we demonstrated how to personalize the main menu.